Myself Naveen Kumar Chaudhary. Today I want to discuss about the nutrition in plants of class 7, chapter number 1, day 2. Yesterday it was discussed by me that discussed about the nutrition and modes of nutrition. In the modes of nutrition, there are two types of nutrition. One is the autotrophic nutrition and another is the heterotrophic nutrition. In autotrophic mode of nutrition, in this mode, an organism make its nutrition, makes its own food from single substances like carbon dioxide, water and minerals. And in heterotrophic mode of nutrition, in this type of nutrition, an organism is dependent directly or indirectly on others. Now I want to discuss about the photosynthesis. In this process, you can see in this figure, green plants are autotrophs and make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. You can see in this figure, here is a green plant. The leaves is given, the chlorophyll in leaf, the sunlight, the carbon dioxide, and in release the oxygen. It means to do their photosynthesis, it takes sunlight, carbon dioxide and water and minerals from the earth and make the process of photosynthesis. Here we discuss about the requirement of the photosynthesis. Yesterday it was discussed the carbon dioxide and oxygen. In the presence of sunlight, it makes the glucose and release the oxygen for the other living animals. Requirement of the photosynthesis. The minerals required by plants for photosynthesis are water and minerals, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll and sunlight. Water and minerals are absorbed by the roots of that plant from the earth, and carbon dioxide is taken by the plants from air, and light, that is the sunlight, is taken by the plants from the sun, and it do their process of photosynthesis. In the photosynthesis process, we observe that the plants make their food not for their own use. It also produces for the other animals, for other living bodies, mainly like the animals and man, which we take, because it is also called the producers, we take like the root, leaves, flower, seeds from the plants. And it is the conversation of the making food by the plants to the other living bodies. If the green plants not do their photosynthesis process, we not survive, because we take the food grains, food items from the green plants. In this chapter, Here is we also want to discuss about the importance of the photosynthesis. You can see in this column, the photosynthesis enables the green plants to make their own food. In the absence of photosynthesis, there would not be any plants. The survival of all animals in the world, directly or indirectly, depends the food made by the plants. And most essential thing, that is the survival of all living bodies, all living organisms. This is the oxygen. If we don't take oxygen, our respiratory system is closed and we can't alive for a long time. So it is the main things for our survival, because and we are depends on the green plants, because green plants, in the absence of green plants, our survival is not done by us. Thanks.